Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a very squished, packed box here from STATIONERYPAL. They contacted me to do a bit of a collaboration or do a bit of a haul for them, and in return you guys can also get a % off. They're actually having a very big sale for the whole month of March, so I will leave links to all of that in the description below. So let's open up this box. Very wintry. Ooh. And oh my goodness. All right. Oh, I love this teddy bear. Love this teddy bear. I actually have this teddy bear hanging from my car. Yeah, I just actually tied the little string around this loop here and she's hanging in my car. Cute. All right. And then you've got the STATIONERYPAL. The thing of this is they pack it so well, and I'm never able to, unfortunately, do anything about that, the sticker. So, oh my goodness. First thing I see here is, thank you for being fun, being there no matter, I am fun no matter what, no, for being there no matter what, and for being a partner. I'm gonna clear all of this stuff out first and then put everything on my desk. Okay, so I have the box off to the side here, but these are the little freebies that came. You get a little rubber ducky. Sorry. And then a little bell. And then you get these little toques that say love. I actually don't know what I would use these for. And then the teddy bear. And these clips, these are fantastic. I love these clips. Don't know what I would attach them to, but they'd be great for holding notebooks and things. So those are the little freebies. I'm sorry about this, but I just had to. Okay, put that to the side. So the first thing that I see here in my package are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel like there are more. No, I think that's it. I think I just got the 5. So the last time I did a haul with STATIONERYPAL, I bought their Memo Me stickers in the green and the blue, and I loved them so much that I needed to get them in more colors. So we have the green, I believe it is here, and then this one is the grayish purple, and then the orangey, and then the pink. Love these because they fit really well in my Hobonichi Cousin, which I will show you. They fit really well in my Hobonichi Cousin, but they also don't leave a sticky residue, and I can reuse them, you know, maybe 2 or 3 times. Absolutely love them. So those are the Memo Me sticky memos. Put that to the side. And I'm all about the sticky memos because I love them in my planner. So I bought, or I asked for more Memo Me sticky memos. So this is in, oh, I forget what the colorway is, but you see there's a bit of purple, then the greens, blue. Did I get 2 of the green? No, different green. And then pinks, and then this one is the more neutral. So I will definitely be using these in my planner spreads. And then got tweezers because I can't find my rose gold tweezers anywhere. They've been lost for over a year. Have no idea where they are, and tweezers are so great with putting down the really, really tiny stickers. So tweezers. Then there's a few things here. So let's leave that one for last. Leave that one for last. I have a few things of washi, which are covered in this confetti. So I use washi sometimes in my planner spreads, but actually now I'm using them more for packaging up my orders. So I thought, why not get really, really pretty washi for packaging up my orders? So I forget the name of this one, but I will leave the name in the description below. But it's like this beautiful blue and teals and greens, and they have the gold foil in them. Absolutely gorgeous. And then this one is grid. So it says grid control series, but they're all neutral grid washi. And look at the teeny, teeny, tiny one. Look at that. And then this one, I believe it says masking tape, but what was the specific one? Again, I will leave all these in the description below, but this one I think was the vintage. And then you've got the days of the week here, but these will be great to use for packing up orders. So that is washi. Put that to the side here. Oh, I forgot this one. And this one was a Galaxy one, and it's got gold foil as well. So those will be fun to pack orders with. So that's 4 sets of washi that I got. I don't normally get that much washi, but now that I use them for packing up orders, love it. So then I got this cute mini palette. So this will be cute for, you know, mixing fountain pen inks for painting. And I thought, why not get a cute little palette that looks like a flower? Then got these 2 things here. So these are kind of storage, not really storage bins, but kind of garbage bins, or you could use them as storage bins that you can put on your desk. This one has 2, and then this one has 1. I think this will be good for keeping things like really small paper clips or whatever, or I could use it for all of those little bits of garbage that I get, like these. So storage, love storage. Then, oh, I want to test this one last. So I got this for Henry. This is a platinum shooting star fountain pen, and I got this in the, I think is the cyan, but it comes with, for one, a cute case, and it comes with a converter. That's amazing. And yeah, so you can put the converter in there. Oh, it's a snap cap, but it has the platinum nib. I think this was a fine. I believe it's a fine. And stick the converter in there. I'm amazed that it comes with a converter. Oh, and there is a cartridge in there. Perfect. But look at that. Oh, I'm like, how does this converter work? Because it doesn't look like your typical converter. Hold on here. Ah, there. So yeah, it's a push converter, just like that. Cool. And then that's the cute little fountain pen. So this is a platinum shooting star. Platinum has really great steel nibs here. So they actually have a wide range of more inexpensive fountain pens, and STATIONERYPAL carry quite a few different colors of the shooting star, but this one is going to be Henry's. I'm going to do a quick writing sample of this in a little bit here. And then I love the Zig Clean color dots. So I got the set in metallic. I will also do a quick swatch of these. So there's 6 different ones in this set. And then I got the one, what set is this called? Again, I forget, but these also have the dots. I love using these for habit tracking and creating dots in my spreads. So there's those 2. Oh, and then I almost missed this. This was just a little cord organizer. You see I went for really functional stuff here. So cord organizer, you can put your iPhone, chargers, things like that, so that it's all organized in one spot and not leaving a huge mess everywhere. So then there's 2 other items, and let me move these to the side, but there's 2 other items, one of which is for, actually I think both of these are gonna be for my daughter, but this one is cute. This is a stand-up pencil case that looks like boba or bubble tea. So open that up. Doesn't look like there's a lot of room, but it actually expands so that when you put something in here like that, great, so you can zip it up and put all of your pens in there. But the cool thing is, I'm actually gonna grab a bunch of pens right now. So put a whole bunch of pens in there. But then when you actually stand it up and put push it down like this, it actually stands up on your desk just like that. How cool is that? My daughter is going to love that. And then the last thing I got is another tote. I still have my tote from the summer and I really love it, but I wanted to get one in brown, and I think my daughter would love this as well. So it is a brown tote. I love that. You need this one. Take care of laundry. And it's a button. There's 2 pockets inside, white lining, and I don't think there's any other pocket. So I think this would be just a good tote for her to carry around. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some quick swatches with these Zig Clean Color Dot metallic markers. So you've got 2 sides. You've got the dot on one side, and then you've got the fine liner on the other, which is a 1.0 millimeter. But then you also have these ones. These are just the single color sets where you just have the dots on the one end. So I'll do samples of or swatches of all of these. So the first one is, this one is gold, duh. And so I'm just gonna write, ooh, look at that metallic goodness. It feels like a Sharpie. I love these because you could do different widths of the circle. How cool. And then we have red. I feel like the names could have been a little bit more creative, but wow. How cool. They do look like Sharpies. I like that. And then we have silver. Yeah, they do really, I can't get over how much they remind me of Sharpies. With that. I like those dots. My fear with these though is that because they remind me so much of Sharpies, I think they might leak through the Tomoe River paper. But I haven't tested that yet. So then, oh, that is a fun purple. Violet, sorry. This one is blue. I'm already liking the way that, oh, look at how bright that is. That is gorgeous. Oh, wow. That is fun. And then lastly, we have green. So this is in the metallic set. I love these. These will be great for my orders. Absolutely love them. And then we have this set. So this is just the, sorry for that. They have, oh no, they are two. Okay, I thought they were just the one-sided ones. They actually have ones on the bottom as well. So they're both the fine liner, but this one's 0.5, and then they have the dot on the other side. So let's start with, this one is called Salmon. Oh, look at how fine that line is. If I can write the word salmon. And that is a finer line. Gorgeous. Very cute. Love that. And then we have, this one is Summer Sun. See, the names of these ones are a little bit more creative. Sun. But this one is a little bit harder to read. I think these ones would be better in the Hobonichi. Oh, I love the dots. And then we have Kiwi. Cute. I love that color. That's beautiful. Lovely. And then lastly, we have Blue Bonnet. I feel like I have this, but I don't think I do. I adjusted my beads differently. That is, these are more highlighter colors versus the metallic. Oh, I love those. So those are all the Zig Clean color dots. So this is the metallic set, and this is, I cannot remember the name of the set. What is the name of the set? I will leave it in the description below, but these come as a set of 4. Really good. So now let's test the fountain pen. So I'm just going to do a dip test of this Platinum Shooting Star fountain pen, again with the steel platinum nib. I love that it's got a star and the big P there. It looks like a fine, and I personally have a Platinum 3776 in a fine. Now the ink that I am, that I am testing this with is Pilot Iroshizuku Amairo, and I'm just doing a dip test of it. Stay. So this is the, oh my gosh, Platinum Shooting Star, and got a steel, I believe it's a fine nib. And it is inked with Pilot Iroshizuku Amairo. Very smooth. It's your typical platinum nib. It's smooth, but it also has that feedback. Is it a stiff nib? There's a little bit of give, but definitely don't push this one. Now reverse writing, nope. You can do it, but it is scratchy. And this is, I think, the same nib that you would find on the Preppy, the Plaisir, and I believe the Profonti or the Profont. So they would be interchangeable. But I love the fact that they have included a cartridge as well as a converter. So really good value for a starter fountain pen, and they come in such great colors. So let's see, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Smooth, lightweight, great starter pen. And this one will be Henry's starter pen. Oh, he's gonna love that. He's absolutely going to love that. And his color is blue, or specifically he says cyan, Mom, I like cyan. So he's really gonna love this. One thing to note about the Shooting Star as well is that in the cap, I do believe they also have their slip-in seal mechanism here. So I believe you can actually keep this uncapped, or not even uncapped, but keep the ink in here for a good couple of years and it will still write because of that mechanism. That's fantastic. So guys, that is my Stationery Pal haul. Go ahead and visit the links in the description below for each one of these products. Remember, Stationery Pal is having a big sale in March, so I definitely recommend taking advantage because these are some great products and they do arrive from, I believe it's Hong Kong, and they actually arrived very, very quickly, and I love Stationery Pals. I think I can't find these anywhere else. I love the Zig Clean color dots, and it's just, I'm happy with this overall haul, so highly recommend them. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.